Sometimes you just need a little more money. Getting a small personal loan can help you if you want to fix up your bathroom, buy a new car, or try to lower the interest rate on some of your debts. But some personal loan companies have higher minimum loan amounts, and those who only need a small amount of cash pay higher interest rates. The best small personal loans have low interest rates, low minimum loan amounts, flexible terms for paying back the loan, and fast funding. A bank, credit union, or online lender can give you a small personal loan. During your search, it's a good idea to compare a few different lenders. The best small personal loan for you will depend on how quickly you need the money, your credit score, and the features you value most. All of the lenders on this page offer loans with a minimum of at least $2,000, and some offer loans for as little as $250. Best small personal loans in the USA in 2023. Number 1. PenFed Credit Union. PenFed is a national credit union that lets its members do banking and get personal loans. There are loans for as little as $600, and there are no fees to get the loan. PenFed offers pre-qualification, which lets you see your possible rates and terms by filling out a short application that won't hurt your credit score. As soon as the next business day after you fill out your application, you could get your money. PenFed loans don't have any fees that are hard to find. Our top pick for small personal loans is PenFed, and it's easy to apply. Even though you have to join, it's easy to do so when you apply for a loan by opening a $5 savings account. Number 2. Best Egg. Best Egg is an online lender that offers personal loans for a wide range of purposes, such as consolidating debt. You can borrow as little as $2,000, and the lender will pay off your creditors directly. This makes it easy to consolidate or refinance your debt. Best Egg has a simple pre-qualification application that you can fill out online. This lets you see your possible interest rates before you finish your application. As soon as the next business day, funds can be deposited. You can apply with a co-applicant to increase your chances of getting approved and get a lower interest rate. But Best Egg does offer secured loans. On all loans, Best Egg charges an origination fee, which can be up to 8.99% of the total loan amount. There's no fee for paying late, but there is a fee for a check that gets sent back. Best Egg is a great way to combine your debts into a single payment, but watch out for the fees. Number 3. First Tech Federal Credit Union. First Tech members can get loans starting at just $500 from First Tech Credit Union. Anyone in the U.S. can join First Tech, which is a good thing. There are loan terms from 24 to 84 months, so you can choose the length of your loan and how much you paid each month. You only need a credit score of at least 600 to apply to First Tech, which makes it easy to get into. It lets you check your rates without a hard credit pull like many other lenders. There are both secured and unsecured loans, and there are no fees to start a personal loan. Even though you have to be a member, First Tech is a flexible option for smaller personal loans and can save you money on rates and fees compared to many competitors. Number 4. Upstart. Upstart gives out personal loans as small as $1,000, and all you need to apply is a credit score of 300, which is the lowest score possible. This means that anyone with any kind of credit history will be taken into account. You can get pre-qualified in just a few minutes, which means you can check rates without having your credit checked. Upstart charges an origination fee of up to 10% of the loan, which is taken right out of your loan. And people in West Virginia and Iowa can't borrow from the lender. Overall, though, Upstart is a great choice for people with bad credit who can't get loans anywhere else. Number 5. Rocket Loans. Rocket Loans is a well-known online lender that offers loans with same-day funding. It is the sister company of Rocket Mortgage. You can pre-qualify to see your rates in just a few minutes, and you can get the money on the same business day if you finish the application and sign the promissory note by 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The money will be sent to your bank account by ACH, but how quickly you can get it will depend on how long it takes your bank to process the transaction. Rocket Loans offers smaller personal loans starting at $2,000 and going up to $45,000. The loan terms are fairly limited, as you can only choose between 36 months and 60 months. Rocket Loans says that a credit score of 640 gives you the best chance of getting approved, but it is possible to get approved even if you don't have the best credit. The highest APR is pretty high, and the origination fee could go up to 7%, so if your credit isn't the best, you may end up paying some pretty high fees. Rocket Loans is great for people who need money quickly, especially those with good credit, because they won't have to pay an origination fee. Personal loans are a quick way to get cash, but many lenders charge rates and fees that are too high. It's important to know how different loan options can help or hurt you in the long run. Many lenders will let you borrow less than $5,000, and they will even charge you less interest if you pay it back quickly. And many of them have no origination fees if you have good credit. This can sometimes make it easy to pay back small loans. PenFed has the most loan options, the best rates and no fees, so you can get cash and not pay too much for it. You can get money as soon as the next business day, and there are no fees for getting the loan or paying it back late. PenFed is our top choice because of how flexible it is and how cheap it is. The other options on this list are great if you have a low credit score or need to get the money on the same day if you can. You can get a small personal loan from these companies, but make sure you understand all the rates and fees before you apply.